Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Vivo V30e smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password entered. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power key. First press the volume up and power key together. Now here tap on power off to power off the smartphone. Okay, now the Vivo V30e is successfully powered off. Now press and hold the volume up and power button together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. Now release the power key and keep pressing the volume up key and release it. And you can see it will send you in Vivo 5G fast boot mode. Volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. Here go to recovery mode and confirm. So you can see it will send you in Vivo 5G recovery mode. Install software, clear data, check system, enter safe mode, and on bottom power off and restart is available. And you can see current device is not rooted. Okay, so now here go to clear data and you can see clear cache, clear all data. Tap on clear all data. So here you can see clear all data. All data on this device will be cleared, including important data such as contacts, photos and SMS messages. Data cannot be recovered if cleared. Proceed with caution. Now here simply tap on OK. Okay, you can see clearing data. Do not use the device. Kindly wait. So you can see all data cleared. Now tap on return, go back, and here on bottom you can see power off and restart. Tap on restart and you can see restart your device. Tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use the Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Vivo V30e smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.